nang gilabyan kay pagtanong niya English man sa Amerikani o unsa na? German, okay. Ako na, kaya rin na Bisayaon, Englisson eh. Englisson? Pasubo taan eh. Hey sir, good morning. This is your driver's license, sir? What country you from, sir? What country?
From what town? Germany, but I go not back.
Yeah, Germany. Ako padulong, ma'am.
So I say I love you, is it okay with you?
Maligo magdagat. Sabot ni Sir Bisaya. You cannot understand our language, sir? You cannot understand? Pero ka-English mo, makasabot siya. Hina ka na, dili mo makasinabot. Kompleto man po siya.
But English is not so perfect.
Okay, okay. Ingat mo, ingat. Thank you. Na, naglibog ikaw sa English, te. Anayin na lang ako nga, thank you na lang. Sige, amping mo.